These fields allow you to give greater depth of information to both your fellow brokers and your prospective clients. These sections only take a few seconds to complete, but can save you much time in the answering of questions from brokers or clients in the future. They also help to remind you of the features of the property if you have not visited them for a while. Features are general aspects of the property that are useful for buyers or tenants to know about, such as if the property will be sold or rented furnished, if there is a swimming pool, or if pets are allowed in the property. You can simply fill in the information by selecting the option from the drop-down box or ticking the checkbox if the property has this feature. Built-in appliances refer to those white goods that are built into the cabinets or those that will be sold or rented with the property. This section allows you to show which of these will form part of the sale or rental. Simply click on the box next to the appliance that the property has. Communal facilities are for those properties within complexes or developments that have facilities such as gyms, pools, that are common use for the residents of the development. Simply click on the checkbox next to the facility that the development has.